Good evening, YouTube. This is Empress Sweet. Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy Sunday. I hope all is well to each one of you. I have some new shoes for y'all that I want to show. Before I get into the shoes, I kind of want to give you a rundown about my store. I have a store on eBay. I've been on eBay for several years now, but I just recently started a store as of last week. I think it was last Monday. Well, eBay is having some issues with my store for some reason. If you go to the search engine and I think you click on advanced to the right, for some reason it's not allowing you to search by my store name, which is called New Remnant. It's spelled NEWREMNANT. You also have the option to where you can search by the seller name. My seller name is called remotejewel. I'm going to have all the information listed below because with me trying to spell it, I don't want to, give any errors. But I'm going to kind of give you like a example, like say for instance, if you're interested in a pair of shoes. And also let me include that I also have coats on there, denim, just a number of things that I have on there. But let me give you an example of how you can purchase the shoes. I have my contact information below as well. I think it's paiddaily77 at yahoo.com. Just message me. Just message me and say, hey, Empress, I'm interested in these pumps, these stilettos. On eBay has I think it's a seller ID or something like that, or item ID number. I think that's what it's called. But you can write down the item ID and just message me and just say, Empress, I'm interested in these shoes. We can converse back and forth. I'll need your shipping address where I need to ship the shoes to, and I'm gonna grant all my YouTube subscribers 10% off. So if you know anyone that's interested in this style of shoes, and they can pretty much wear sizes between 5.5 to 7. I have some shoes that are size 7. And let me add, it's only one pair of each shoe. One pair. So it's first come, first serve. So you can just contact me directly. I'm gonna grant all of y'all 10% off. And the coupon code is Empress10. Now you can buy them outright through eBay, but the only issue is it won't allow you to enter the coupon code. So that's why I say it's best to contact me first and we can just converse back and forth. I just want to make sure, where you're located, because I know YouTube is worldwide. So, I don't know if I'll be getting customers that's interested in China. Of course, if you're interested and you're in another country, then I'm going to have to increase the shipping costs. But again, my contact information is listed below. Before I show y'all the shoes, I want to ask you please to comment, rate, share, and subscribe. Okay, the first pair I want to show y'all, since I'm holding them, let me go ahead and show y'all. These are some pump stilettos. And if you can see these shoes really clear, they are gorgeous, y'all. They are covered in rhinestone. Ooh, these are so pretty. So pretty. I know I'm being extra. I know that. Please forgive me. But these are beautiful though. The brand name, I'm sorry, it's called Wild Pear. I'm not really familiar with that brand name, but that's the brand it is. These, I have worn these like once or twice, several times, but as you can see, look at the bottom. You can barely tell that they've been worn, in excellent condition, as you can see, right? And see these beautiful rhinestones on here. And then you got the buckle. Oh, they nice, y'all. Okay. Also, let me tell you the size. I think that will help, right? Um, they're on here somewhere, y'all. These are a size 6. I honestly thought they were a size 6.5, but they are a size 6. Okay, here we go. These are beautiful. Yes. I just want y'all to see how nice they are. Nice they are. Okay, the next pair I have. And another thing, while I'm thinking about it, some of these shoes, like for instance, the pair I just showed you, and this pair here, they are not listed on eBay. So if you're interested in these, you would definitely have to, contact me directly. And another thing, as far as the coupon code, that's just something courtesy. You don't have to, of course, like me, I love deals. I love bargains. So any way I can save, if it's $10, if it's 10 cents, I'm all for it. So what I'm saying, you don't have to take the coupon code. You can purchase outright through eBay. But again, you can't it won't allow you to use the coupon code. That's why I was saying in the beginning to contact me if you want to get, a certain percent, 10% off. Sorry. Okay. These are, I'm trying to think, what do you call these little things? Lord help, what do you call these? They like little studs, little brackets. I love these shoes. You talking about a jacket? I mean, it's just so much you can literally do with this shoe. Look at the heel on it. You see that clear crystal heel? God, y'all, that is so beautiful. Now, these are a size 5.5. 5.5. These are brand new and they are gorgeous. And I think the color is like a beautiful ivory white. A beautiful ivory white, I think. But I like these. And again, these are brand new. These are a size 6. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. These are a size 5.5. The next pair I have, these are brand new as well. These are, I'm trying to look for the brand name. Y'all, these are brand new, excuse me, but I just kind of flipped it, and as you can see, this little thing is coming up, but they are brand new. I promise you they're brand new. These are a size 6.5. And the colors, you see the colors on these? It's like a green, a purple, a yellow. They just have different colors. I think they're really pretty, y'all. And these are stilettos. And the size again is a size 6.5. These are brand new. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. Sorry. The next pair I have is a zebra. This is a zebra print. Isn't it beautiful? And it has like a, sorry about the lighting, y'all. It has like a red band or something. It may look pink on y'all end, but I promise you it's not pink. It's red. These are zebra print. Hold on for just a minute, y'all. I am so sorry. My light just totally went out. Sorry about that. Give me just a second. I don't even think that's gonna work. Okay. I apologize. Sorry, it's like my ring light just went out for some reason. I think the battery is dying on my notebook, so that's what happened. But these, look at this beautiful zebra print. I have worn these a couple times, but they are still in good condition. And the size on these is a size 6.5. 6.5. The next pair I have, y'all, these shoes are so nice. And you're probably going to hear me say that a lot. How nice, how beautiful these shoes are. Probably every pair I pick up, and I apologize because it's probably going to sound like repeating myself. But these are a zebra print. I'm sorry, they're not a zebra print. I promise I'm not asleep. These are a leopard print. And the color is like a beautiful fuchsia pink. These are brand new. And the size is a size 6. I had to look just to be. So let me show you. Oh, y'all, these are so nice. Oh, you can just get hypnotized with these. Yes. And you see that little gold rim? I don't know if y'all can see that, but oh my God, so nice. Yes. Okay. And the last pair I'm gonna show y'all, for just when I say the last pair, this is just for today. I don't mean as in, moving forward. It's just for today. These are brand new. These are like ankle booties. Um, they probably come a little past your ankle. And the size on these is a size 6.5. And let me show you like the detail zipper. If I can show you. Well, I zipped it up, so that's not the, I think it's on the other side. You see that zipper right here? This is on the inside of the shoe, the inside of the boot. You see that zipper? It starts right here and it goes all around. You see that? Oh, that is so nice. And let me show you the heel on it. These are brand new, and these are, y'all, I want to say these are a size, they say they are size 6.5. These are a size 6.5. I thought they was a size 6, but it's a 6.5. Okay, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and end the video for today. I apologize. I am having some issues with my lighting. So for some reason, I don't like this lighting. I just can't get with it. But it was just one of those things that kind of happened in the middle of the video. So I think I showed you at least 4, maybe 5. I apologize. I did not count them as I went. But if you will, I'm going to have all my contact information listed below where you can contact me directly. It is my email address. If you're interested in any of the shoes that I just listed, just contact me, and even the ones on eBay. Again, let me repeat. If you see something from my store on eBay and you like it and you just want to buy it outright, that is totally fine. I'm just offering a Empress 10. The name of the coupon code is Empress 10. I'm just offering a coupon code for the next 30 days as a courtesy, just to say thank you for, tuning in to my YouTube channel and for looking at my eBay store, just as a courtesy, just to say thank you. I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and I want to say thank y'all so much and have a good evening. See you next time. Bye-bye.